Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video we are actually going to be doing a speed test comparison between Mi A1 and Mi A2. And both of these phones have 4 gigs of RAM, but Mi A1 have Snapdragon 625 versus Mi A2 which is having Snapdragon 660. So both this phone, as you can see the size difference, obviously Mi A2 comes with a little bit bigger display. Mi A2 also comes with a really good camera. This time it's vertical, unlike A1 where you get the horizontal cameras. But anyways guys, it's a speed test and let's get straight in. Here we go, 3, 2, 1. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel guys, make sure you do it, and also hit that little bell. And if you end up liking this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Let's see. Both of these phones are really quick to boot up. And let's see. Both of this Android one, and as you can see Mi A2 faster and Mi A1, and it's done as well. So let's quickly enter the passcode. So guys, everything is set up, we are ready, everything is closed. Let's start with the phone dialer. Here we go. Okay, I think that was really similar. Chrome faster on Mi A2. Camera again A2. Settings, that was similar. Let's try opening some social apps. So let's just start with Twitter. Here we go. Faster on Mi A2. Snapchat, this time it's A1. Tinder, okay, faster on Mi A2. Facebook, again, so Mi A2 proving to be a little bit faster. Finally Instagram. Okay, so this was pretty much similar. Anyways guys, let's try opening some games. We're gonna be opening every type of games, starting with the Lite test. So let's open Flappy Bird. And okay, so a little bit faster on Mi A2. Motor Traffic Racer. And again, it looks like Mi A2 is really faster. And yes, Mi A2 done. Mi A1, it's done as well. Smash it. Let's see what happens here. And you can see that Mi A2 again faster. Let's open few more games guys. Subway Surfers. So Mi A2 is a really fast phone, I have to say. In this range it is pretty much the fastest phone you can buy. And again you can see that it's done, and Mi A1 taking some time, which is not a slow phone at all guys. So let's open the final game guys. GTA San Andreas. Can Mi A1 do a comeback? And okay, so Mi A2 just a little bit faster. Mi A1 this time wasn't far behind, but anyways, let's open some shopping apps guys. Here we go. Amazon, and I'm actually connected with the same Wi-Fi network as well. And again Mi A2 faster, Mi A1 also done. Flipkart, let's see this time. And again you can see that Mi A2 is actually quick to load. Let's see Banggood. And okay, so this time it's Mi A1 followed by A2. Let's quickly check out the RAM management. And let's open settings. Refreshed on A1. Snapchat in the RAM. Instagram in the RAM. Flappy Bird in the RAM as well. Smash It in the RAM. Subway Surfers again in the RAM. Let's see Amazon. Okay, refreshed on A2. And GTA San Andreas. Okay, so it again has refreshed on Mi A2. And let's finally wrap this up guys. So when it comes to speed, Mi A2 is the fastest phone. RAM management wise, Mi A2, Mi A1 also did really good, but speed goes to Mi A2 with the pretty much every phone I've tested. I've seen that Mi A2 is really a fast phone. If you want to see any of the videos, link is in the description. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you're not, and yeah guys, like, subscribe, share, and as always, peace out.